Whether you're linking your own VAT account to Xero, or you're an accountant or bookkeeper and you're setting up a client's VAT account, this video is for you. Coming to you from Burton's Academy, I'll walk you through how to connect the HMRC VAT Portal with Xero step by step. You'll need access to both Xero and HMRC Portal before we begin. So get those ready and let's dive in. When we have a new client set up for VAT returns, what we need to do in Xero is go to Accounting, VAT Return, and we'll need to enter their information and link them to the HMRC portal. And when that opens, we'll be presented with this screen. How would you like to prepare your VAT? Making tax digital VAT or VAT without MTD? So now, based on the new ways of working, we want to always select Making Tax Digital VAT. This means we will connect through HMRC and complete them through Xero. And then we click Connect. And then what you'll see is your VAT return. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.